Your hips might be the real reason that your knees hurt. You might be dealing with a loss of hip range of motion. When you're doing things like hiking, your hips have to be able to move like this and have to be able to do this even more so when you're going up or downhill. If your hips can't move that way, then your knees have to compensate more by twisting. Over time, this can create knee pain, but the problem didn't actually start anywhere near the knee. If you only try to strengthen muscles around the knee or stretch the hip, that's not actually addressing the root cause as to why active people have knee pain. What does this actually look like instead? What you're gonna do is you're gonna start off with a muscle roller or a dowel like this. What you're gonna do is you're going to put it on a firm surface. You're going to sit on it with your sit bone, and then you're going to rock off your sit bone. So you're between your sit bone and your hip joint. You're just going to sit here and allow this to work into the space between your sit bone and your hip joint. I usually have people stay here for around 3 to 5 minutes. Next thing I'll have people do after we start getting some passive range of motion is start working on movement with the range of motion. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use a half foam roller or a rolled up towel like this. You're gonna place it underneath the side of your pelvis with your foot in contact with the wall like this. So foot contact on the wall, this underneath your pelvis. What you're gonna do is you're gonna step the other leg up and over so it's just touching down on the ground here and then coming back. Just like this. Should feel like your weight shifts more from the back of the pelvis, a little bit more towards the front here. I usually have people do 2 to 3 rounds of 10 repetitions on this. From there, we have to then build capacity to maintain that range of motion while we're challenging the muscles with more activity. What you're gonna do is you're going to do a variation of a step up. So you have step like this and a band hanging from, you can do a door frame or a squat bar like this. What you're gonna do is I want you to feel like you're able to get really heavy in the front foot. So it should feel like your quads engage a little bit there. And it should feel like your glute is actually able to stay a little bit more relaxed in this position. From here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna drive through your full foot as you pull down with the band to step up. Again, it's gonna look like this, heavy in that side, coming up. Typically, I'll have people do, again, 2 to 3 rounds of 10 repetitions each side here. If you're an active person and have already seen other providers for your knee pain, follow us to see how to actually get rid of your root cause.